Hello and welcome to this unboxing video. Today we have this one-step hair dry range dryer for straightening and plus drying hot air brush. Let's have a look around the box. Well, this model is called HGS01. It has a 1200 watt power. So let's open it up and see what we have here. This is a 220 volt model. Okay, look here. It has an offsetting, low, middle, and high, and you can the settings like that. Use some instructions. Now this brush head is not detachable, it's fixed. Let's see how long the cord is. I would say about 1 meter maybe. Let me take the measurements. This is a 1.4 meter cord, and this is basically what comes in the box, except that the airflow will come here through these vents, and this is a cool tip here, and nothing is detachable. Okay, see you, bye.